Breaking the Wall of Poultry Waste. Abdulrahman Haitham, Falling Walls Lab, Cairo.
In Egypt, we consume 100 million chickens monthly. 10% of a chicken is its feathers. But what happens to the feathers? People in Burma, a village in Egypt, resort to either burning the feathers or throwing them in lakes, which causes air pollution and water pollution. They have no other solution but to do this, as they produce 40% of the total Egyptian production is produced by them. This pollutes their only source of fresh water, and they are left with 84,000 tons of feathers yearly. And some of the diseases that result from their fresh water are similar to salmonella, bird flu, and toxoplasmosis. As a group of students, we had to find a way to solve this issue for them. So we gathered samples from the feathers and put them through a 5-step cleaning process of washing them, rinsing them, heating them, putting them through acetone and alcohol. The results that came out after we conducted our researches on these feathers were amazing, as we found that feathers were highly absorbent, and they were thermal insulators, and they were very rich in protein and nitrogen. As soon as we found these results, we knew that we were standing on a white gold mine, as we found that we could approach a multi-million-dollar industry. We're talking about paper, sanitary pads and diapers, fertilizer, air filters, thermal insulators for walls and construction, and fillers for bedding and jackets. We actually put some of this research to work as we started producing our first prototype of our diaper, which is seen on the screen. This is actually our prototype, this on the screen, of the diaper. And we found that it was 30% more absorbent than regular diapers in the market. Some of these products still have to go through extensive research because they come in touch with people's skin or they need advanced technology, but most of them are ready to launch in the market, theoretically, as soon as we put them into work. Not only are we keeping feathers away from landfills and from lakes, but we are replacing polydown in bedding and jackets. We are replacing trees in paper. We are replacing paper and plastic in diapers, and we are... Time's over. Who cares? Oh,